Alright, YouTube, what is good with y'all? I am back with the reaction. This is Random Reactions with Ye. Disclaimer, I don't know what this is. I was literally just told, hey, react to this. And you can't know what it is. So the name of the title is Mukbanger Moments I Wish I Could Unsee. Man, I don't know what to think. Yeah, pray for me on this, because I feel like I'm either gonna throw up or I'm never gonna eat something again. I don't know, but let's see how this go, man. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, join the family if you haven't. That's tough. You already know what it is. Yayway family. Let's go.
Hey guys, just a little disclaimer, remember these videos are just for fun, so don't hate on anyone in the video, and of course all of their links will be down below in the description. I still get loads of comments asking what I look like, so go follow my Instagram below if you want to see. He starts off like usual, stuffing his face with an insane amount of noodles. But as the video goes on, you can see he gets so uncomfortable.
Why does the spam look like that? Oh, that's so nasty! That is nasty! Oh my god, that's gross! Oh my god! This is hard. This is hard. Making me hungry? How the hell is this making you hungry? This is not making me hungry, bro. He dipped a whole thing of cheese, like the whole Spam and cheese. Oh. Please don't do it again. 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 Please don't do it again. Whatever you do, don't grab that Spam. Please don't. Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Big guy appetite.
BJ is hella drunk in this video. He talks loads while he's got a mouthful of food, and most of the video I have literally no idea what he's talking about.
Wait, you can so people actually get drunk in the videos and actually do them? I did not know people actually do get drunk in their videos and they actually do show the alcohol with the label. Ain't my business, but I'm trying to figure out, is that cornbread? If that is cornbread with the liquor, this might not be that bad. I gotta see this.
We drinking Bud Light. We're drinking Bud Light with Spirit. We drinking Smirnoff Ice with no sugar added.
You got the nerve to have no sugar in y'all that damn cornbread. Oh. What is that? Oh my god! What is that? Chili? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that's horrible!
I don't care who says what, when, what, why, how, who.
I'm not even mad at him. It's just the food, how it looked.
If you want to learn, there's a million compliments. Put him on this channel.
Oh my goodness! Please.
I don't understand how Candy has never heard of a fork or knife before. And then later in the video, she's...
No, look, wait. Is this baked potatoes or burnt bread? I'm confused. Is that just meatballs and sauce with bread? I don't mind it. It's just, let's see, man. I'm confused.
While doing a mukbang might be slightly dangerous. I don't know.
Delicious.
Yeah, like, what is it? Delicious what? Damn, she fresh out of jail? Golly. Oh, she was hungry. Can we donate some cutlery? Yeah, she's not. Where are utensils? Like, where are utensils at? I've never seen this happen unless kids are doing it.
Straws.
Accidentally run somebody over. I must make it. Does she not eat as much? Damn. That wasn't as bad though. That wasn't as bad. Oh Lord.
Alright, Steven has a pizza in this video, so I know this is about to get really weird. I mean, I like pizza, but I've never known someone to like pizza anywhere near as much as Steven.
Alright, yes,
So we
tapatio.
have pizza, deep dish.
It has a hidden ranch.
Gonna make my own little
It's
sauce.
Tabasco?
Oh my gosh.
Yes, that look good. That look good.
Look, you guys, I'm so excited. Who's excited?
Okay. I eat my pizza with ranch too. I don't. Why is he doing it like that though?
Gosh. Unreal.
What the?
Unreal.
Okay, it probably does taste fine. I ain't gonna cap to you.
Do you wish you were me right now?
Yeah, I'm with him now. But it do look good though.
That is so good. Sometimes I think I want to have babies with food.
What? Oh my god! I guess. What is? Is that the boba? Is that just
I've
the
never actually
boba?
had
Like,
bubble tea, but I thought it was a drink. And I still think it's a drink, but in this video this dude is literally eating it like it's cereal. He looks hella uncomfortable the entire video.
bro, he's messing this up for me. I like bubble tea. Like,
Jamie. Go ahead.
his reaction there. Okay, that's the tea portion. Ugh! Ew.
Charisse can 50 times in a video and not even notice. And halfway through the video she starts sucking her fingers to get the sauce off.
Oh my
Also,
god.
she is so loud in the intro, just warning you.
I'm gonna count the ums.
Hey guys!
I'ma count
Today
the ooms.
I am having a deshelled seafood ball in Alfredo sauce. These gigantic shrimp. This is a shrimp. Yes, it is.
This is.
Look at that, y'all.
She
All
covered her
right,
face.
y'all.
No, you're supposed to cover her back. One. That's two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh.
Oh my god, it's so good.
I forgot. 10, 11.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. That's all shrimp.
Everybody, wipe your damn face at least. Ew.
D Hunter always enjoys his food way too much. This
Is that a seashell? It looked like a seashell. He eating like, I'm not tripping. I'm not like, this looks like a seashell. I hope
video
it's
he's eating
something
a
that's
geoduck,
edible.
he moans so damn much. Like literally the entire video. I wonder how it tastes though. I bet it's not as good as he makes it out to be.
What is that? Ugh. Oh my god, that is nasty. Oh, That was nasty. That was ugh. Okay. That looked like quarter on blue. It looks like.
Oh my god, Sammy's eyes.
Wait.
Can't just be me, right? He's basically like a psycho with a weird 24/7 craving for cheese sauce.
I'm praying that he's not about to put these quarter on blues inside of this thing and try to blend these. That'll ruin that for me for life. I'm so like that'll ruin it for me. And they crispy too. Oh yeah, they. Oh, those not. Those something else. What is that? Are those like mozzarella pockets or something? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh man! Like, I like cheese, but damn! So that was a deep fried corn dog. Okay, I got it. All right, man. I don't know what the hell I just watched. I can't unsee none of that. Oh, it was cringeworthy. I used to like cheese a lot, and that just messed me up. I'm still gonna find out what a geoduck is. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments. But other than that, that is the random reaction with Yay. I don't know what I just watched. Thank y'all for watching this reaction. Do me a favor in the comments. Let me know what you want to see me react to. If anything, I am going to be doing more of these random reactions every week. It's going to be a new one every week. We just don't have fun with it. And I don't know what the hell I just watched. So again, thank y'all so much for watching the video. Make sure, like I said, you comment, like, subscribe, join the gang. If you ain't joined us yet, that's tough. You already know what it is. Good vibes all the time on this side. So we out, inspired by Yay Way all the way. You already know what it is, and we up out.